The Nissan Kicks infotainment system, powered by Nissan Connect, can experience issues like black screens or freezes. These problems often stem from software glitches or, less frequently, hardware faults. Resetting the system can resolve many of these issues. There are three main types of resets: a soft reboot, also called quick reset, a hard reset involving battery disconnect, and a factory reset. Choose the reset method based on the severity of the problem, starting with the least invasive approach. First, try a soft reboot by holding the power button on the infotainment screen for 10 to 15 seconds until it restarts. This is the safest option. If that doesn't work, perform a hard reset by disconnecting the vehicle's 12-volt battery for 5 to 10 minutes, then reconnect it. As a last resort, use the factory reset option found in Settings, General, Reset, Factory Reset, but be aware that this will erase all personal data and settings. For black screens, software updates can resolve it. Go to Nissan Connect app or visit a dealership to find this update. If issues persist, seek professional help.